You guys, silverGameOfThrone here. Welcome to No Bullshit channel. So, what we are doing today? Unboxing for crypto lovers, for gold lovers, for crypto, silver lovers. Today is gold unboxing. Stay tuned. Okay, gold unboxing. So this is from Provident. Package from Provident. So what we got today? We got 4 francs, 4 Florin, 10 francs, Austrian gold, average circulation. Let's explore! You guys like unboxing or not? Every time when I do a Litecoin video, I have 1000 views. Every time when I do gold unboxing, I'm hardly getting 200 views. Why is that? You don't like unboxing, I know. But I unboxing it anywhere, so let me enjoy. If you are not enjoying, the minimum I will enjoy. So we have 10 francs, 4 Florin, Austrian gold, average circulation. Okay, 4. Why 4? What's going on here? Because it's cheap, guys. It's less than 170 bucks. It's cheap like a dirt. Why not? You know, some say, oh, Bitcoin will replace gold. Some say Bitcoin is garbage. Gold is only, you know, the store of value. You know what I say? Gold is not going anywhere. Bitcoin is digital store of value. Wow, beautiful. I want to take my gloves. Bitcoin is digital store of value, where gold is physical store of value. So as far as we have different kind of people, trust me, both Bitcoin and both gold will be in circulation, okay? Because it's not easy to replace 5,000 history, 5,000 on our history, just, you know, just take it out. No, it's not going to happen. For the next 5, 10 years, I don't know what will happen in 20 years, maybe indeed, Bitcoin will replace everything. But in the next 5 years, I don't see gold is going anywhere, okay? Especially cheap, fraction, gold, mamma mia! Yeah, so let's see what we got today. Those are small pieces of all kind of, yeah, 4 Florin. Imperator Joseph, 4 Florin, 170 bucks, guys, almost 0.1 ounce of gold. What can be better? I told you, it's gold in a bottom. Look into my videos. Gold at bottom, 1700. No. What I'm doing where my mouth is, okay? And I think everyone in the world need to do the same. I'm talking about gold, but I'm buying some SLV or GLD, physical demand. Nice. They say average circulation, but I would say it's a very good coin. IU, almost BU. Very nice. A little bit dirty here. Very nice. Like it. 4 francs, 10 francs, 4 Florin. Okay, so let's put this bad guys. Let's validate them and then put this bad guy in capsule. By the way, I'm showing you exactly what I am doing. Okay, so with you guys, without you, I will be doing exactly the same. So for me, it doesn't matter. I'm doing this on video. I'm doing myself. It's the same stuff of routine I am doing every day. Routine. Okay, I need to check that weight is right, I need to check the measure is right, I need to check that it is a gold, and then I encapsulate it and I put in storage, in safe. That's it, and I forget about this, okay? I'm not going to worry for the next, I don't know how long. When I need it, right? Hope I will not need it, I will give it to my generation. It's a gold, so why I need it? Okay, stay tuned. So first I'm checking weight. 0.0933 should be, it's 90%, should be a little bit more than 0.1 ounce because there are some copper here. So see 104, 104, 104, 104, everything is good. Okay, so weight is checked. So next checking size. So the size should be 19 millimeter. 19. Perfecto. 19. Very good. Next. 19. Plus minus little bit, it's okay. Some microns. Yeah, 19. Very good. Very good. Which year it is? Which year it is? I didn't check. 19, 18, 92. This is 1892. This is 1892. Look like everyone is 1892. 1892. 1892. Okay, so that's checked. So next will be the Sigma. You don't have Sigma, guys? You buy gold? Yeah, I'm sorry for you guys. You must have some kind of validation, you know. This is expensive to buy a fake gold. Okay, so it's 90% gold. So we put measure on 90%. Ready, and let's check it. So 90% gold valid. 90% gold valid. 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 Florin, Ducat, whatever it is. As cheaper as better, right? Cheap gold. I hope you guys bought some. You're not going to buy it. Yeah, this from this side it's a little bit tricky. You know, when Mr. Biden will send you check, right? I don't know when it happened. Someone says this week, I didn't see yet. But when check will arrive, this will not cost you 170 bucks, you understand? You need to buy it before. So I'm using my saving account to buy today, and when check will arrive, I will put it back in saving account because I always have some money in saving account. But you are not gonna buy it when the stimulus check arrives. You need to buy it before. This is the secret, guys. Because when you're going to buy it, they will not be available, as the price will be much more expensive, right? Okay, now going to encapsulate them. Stay tuned. Okay, we are going to put them in capsules. So, capsule are 18 millimeter. I want it to be tight, so I try to make them tight. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Luster is very cool. Looking good. Looking very good. Yeah, excellent condition. How many of these old coins you'll have, right? They bring it from euro because it's US is a, you know, it's a bigger consumer. I don't know why they bring it from US, why they sell it in US. What, in Europe people are not buying? I'm sure people buying in Europe also. Probably they have more profit in US, you know, to sell them. I don't know. If someone knows, let me know. I don't know why there are so many. It was so many, by the way. Not anymore. Not anymore. Yeah, they all gone. Guys, you need to see my video, you know, gold bottom. Everything gone. Yeah, this is a nice luster. That's a BU. That's a BU coins. Man, I don't understand. This coin is so old, but it's so good condition. Unbelievable. It looked like some storage, you know. So it was in some storage, and now it's time to sell it, right? For us, for gold bucks, for gold stacker, silver gold stacker, you know, so we can enjoy for years all this small stuff, right? Because we were smart, right? Or we are stupid. What you say? We are smart or we are stupid? We are buying something which no one needs, right? We are buying this gold. Who needs gold? No one needs gold. No one needs silver, right? People only need garbage. You know, buy some garbage then throw it out. That's all people do. But we, as the smart people, we want to give something for our kids, for our generations. Some dirty here, need to clear. Dirty piece. So we want to give for our generation something so they will enjoy like we are enjoying, right? Nice luster. And the last but not least, someone asked me where I'm getting all these gaskets. It's from Amazon. You can buy from Amazon. You can buy from Amazon. You guys like to unbox? This is the best what I like, you know. When I buy, then I wait and nothing is coming, like 3 weeks, 4 weeks sometimes, and then finally, bura boom, you have it. So you enjoy to touch it, you enjoy to put it in capsule, you enjoy everything about this, right? You learn history, you know who is this Joseph, right? King Joseph, whatever who is. Austro-Hungarian, it was Austro-Hungarian Empire, right guys? It was very cool history all around. Okay, so for more, almost 0.1 ounce, which is together 0.4 ounce of gold added to my stack. I am happy, and you guys have an excellent weekend. All the best. Keep stacking.